Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix Steam PS5 controller showing Xbox button. So generally a lot of gamers have been figuring out on how we can fix this problem. That's because your PS5 controller is not natively supported for Windows right here. As you may have known, Windows or Xbox is basically the same thing. So using something outside of that like a PlayStation controller does not support it natively. So Steam basically is the middleman between these controllers. So in that way, your Steam is making your PlayStation controller compatible with Xbox related products right here. So it will then go ahead and show the Xbox buttons. But in order to fix this, you want to navigate through setting. In here, click controller. Click on the show advanced setting and make sure that the PlayStation controller support is enabled right here. And for the enable input for Xbox controller, you want to go ahead and make sure that this is disabled. And also make sure that the enable Steam input for generic controllers is disabled. From there, head over to your game, click properties, navigate through controller, and then you want to try this settings right here. If this didn't work, you then want to try the second one. And if the second one didn't work, you then want to try the first one. And the last Hail Mary in order to do this is to download a mod onto our specific game. So for example, if we have something like NBA 2K26, PlayStation button mod. And from here, we can then go ahead and basically fix it accordingly depending on the game that we are trying to fix. Or in some other games out there, there's going to be the button on their actual setting that we could choose. Basically, there's going to be the PlayStation preset, or there's going to be the Xbox preset. Just choose the X triangle box and X, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.